topic need for packet switching. So already we have seen what is circuit switching. In circuit switching, we'll be having a dedicated link between the two users to transmit the information from one sender to the receiver. Okay. So we have certain advantages and disadvantages in circuit switching. So the link will be dedicated. So the advantages are it's very secure, a third person cannot access the link. But disadvantages, most of the time when the channel is idle or when the link is idle, when there is no information to transfer, then your link will be idle and there will be wastage of resources and the bandwidth, etc. So in order to overcome this, we are going for another method, right? So which is packet switching. So today we will see the need for packet switching and some of its applications based on the design thinking approach. We know that we are following design thinking approach. So we are having 5 stages in it: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So we discuss this need for packet switching in these 5 stages. So I'll give you a few minutes for discussing among yourself. After that, we will share the points. We can start our discussion. Hope you have discussed and collect a few points. So you can share your points. Who's going to tell about empathy part?
I'm going to do some conversation. So, users needs to transmit data over a network quickly and reliably. So, the traditional based networks establish a dedicated path for the entire communication, which is inefficient. So, if the path is disrupted, then the network fails and the resources are wasted when no data is being transferred. And let I talk about the defining and networking switches are insufficient to handle the data. So there is only require constant connections. There is no data to transfer. And also many users just access the networks.
The idea of breaking down data into small packets that can travel independently across its network is proposed. Each packet can find its own to the destination, and a network can dynamically manage traffic and reroute
Ways about the packet-based network. The network where data is divided into the packets. These packets send independently over various routes, and depending on its network circuit condition, these and each packet.
Let me just talk about the prototyping and just evaluate the solution which is very well. So packet switching is very efficient because it uses the network resources only when it is needed. And it also allows multiple users to use the same network without any significant issues. So in the network, there might be some disturbance or even some traffic in the network. Okay, well then, you have shared your points regarding packet switching. As you know, in circuit switching, we saw what are the advantages and disadvantages. We are going for packet switching. So in the packet switching, the data is splitted into packets, and each packet will be having a header information. The header information may consist of source and destination addresses. And so in each packet will be treated as a separate data, and it will be each packet will be transmitted to different parts. In circuit switching, the entire information is transmitted to a single path which is dedicated. But in packet switching, the packets will be taking its own path and it will reach the destination. So it's an advantage that whenever there is a data for transmission, the data will be transmitted through the path whichever it is free. Clearly, path will not be present here. So this is the main advantage in the packet switching. So most of the modern networks adapt only packet switching, and circuit switching is not used now. So this is the need for packet switching. Thank you.